So my office table is always a mess. It keeps accumulating dust, which is really hard to clean up because of the cables that go left and right. That's where this portable air duster or air blower comes in. Inside the box, you get an air blower along with 5 different heads that you can use to clean up different spaces, a USB type A to type C charging cable. The air blower is made of good quality plastic and does not feel cheap or low quality in any way. It charges by a USB Type-C port and it has 3 different intensity levels. Once it's in third gear, you will have no issue blowing any dust. Air pressure on third gear is really strong. Each of its heads can be used to clean different spaces, but my favorite one is the head with the brush on top of it, because with this head I can not only blow the air but can also use its brush to clear the dust that is stuck so that it can be easily blown away. So if you are a lazy person like me whose work setup is always a mess, then getting a portable air blower like this one can really help you out. At the time of making this video, this air blower or air duster is listed on AliExpress for just $19.